Ever feel like you're in over your head with statistics or accounting? Like you're climbing a mountain that only gets steeper? Well, take a deep breath. Help is here. Our team of experienced instructors is ready to guide you through the toughest subjects. They are not just educators, but mentors, dedicated to understanding your unique learning style and helping you navigate through complex theories and concepts. Listen to what our previous students have to say. Before joining, I was failing my statistics class. Now, I am not just passing, but I'm at the top of my class. That's Tanvi, a BTCom student who turned her academic life around with us. Or consider Akshay, a CMS aspirant who shares, "I couldn't make sense of accounting before, but now I feel confident about it. I owe it all to the dedicated mentors at this center." Our commitment extends to a wide range of academic levels: HSC, BCom, MCom, MBA, California, CMS, you name it. We provide course methods tailored to suit your specific needs. The benefits? They're clear. With us, you don't just learn, you excel. You gain confidence, skills, and a solid foundation that will serve you well in your academic and professional journeys. So, what's stopping you? Dial 09979840140 or drop by our center. Embark on your path to academic success today. Choose your course, register, and watch how your academic struggles transform into triumphs. Remember, success in accounting or statistics is just a call away. Don't delay. Make that call now.